Hello YouTube, and welcome back to a video. Today I have something awesome. Today I have a mystery box. I bought it from the store, so I have no idea what's in it. It's a $10 mystery box from the store, from the, I forget what the name of it is, but I'm bad at remembering things. So I thought that I would open it on camera to let you all see what I get, because, yeah. So let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? I'm opening it in it. Are you coming to watch me open it?
Yeah,
I can't wait to see what's in there.
okay.
How much junk we get. How much good stuff too.
Let's see what we got for $10.
Ooh. Oh, we got a VTech Mobile Toy Story game.
Okay.
Ooh, what's this? A little hair clippy. Looks like.
Oh, you videotape that too?
Yeah, I'm gonna post on YouTube. Ooh.
Corks.
Yeah, antique corks. Oh well. They're $1 corks.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Read.
You see that? I got a pretty ring.
Wow. Those are earrings.
Oh. Wow.
God.
Looks like Mom's helping me go through it.
It's a for a spoon. For the stove. What is this?
I don't know.
A watch kit.
Ooh, I can repair my watch.
Another watch kit.
This, I don't have no idea what this is.
Oh, funky watch.
Let me go through it. I got 2 watch kits, it seems.
Wow.
Looks like I have batteries.
A phone wallet.
Ooh,
No idea.
I've got a lot of jewelry in here too.
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff in there. A big pink bracelet.
Do you want this one?
No.
You don't want it?
No.
Come
That's
check
pretty.
out what I got.
Aw.
Look how full this thing is. Okay, let's see. We got a big ball necklace. It's a nice one. I got big balls, Mama.
Yeah, big balls, Daddy.
Look at this brooch. It's so pretty. Ooh.
Is that a band? Watch
Yeah,
band
it's a
thing?
golden watch face. Nice. There's another watch face.
Leonard.
Oh, what?
Thing. Yep. Okay, let's see.
Ooh. We got this right here.
God.
Ooh. There's a
It is
3-in-1 watch
I
thingy.
have no idea what it is.
It's just a Dilly Boober watch. Here's another watch.
I think it's a light.
Oh, I got a light.
A little flashlight. Woohoo.
Ooh, nice.
For
A little
$10,
heart.
I don't know if this is $10 or not. My God, Andy. Jeez.
Anything's worth the money if you know how to use them.
Yes.
Ooh. this is a, oh my God, it's a
Wow, it's
bracelet.
What's
No,
it
it's a
pretty?
link.
It's a
Necklace.
necklace.
Ooh. Look at this. Nice. Don't take everything out. I gotta show the camera. Some old the thingies. Got this.
Necklace.
Ooh. What the freak is this thing? I got this. I have no idea what it is.
A bunch of watches.
Yes.
A Star Wars watch.
Star Wars. Ooh. Texas Crown
Bang.
watch. And another watch. Ooh, this one's an interesting looking watch. Ooh. Art by Andelco.
God.
Looks like we got probably a bookmark.
Wow. That's pretty.
Ooh. Look at this brooch. This one's a nice one. And they got some little, another necklace. Some more band bracelets and just regular bracelets. Ooh, nice bracelet with diamonds. Got some earrings. Ooh, another necklace. Nice. Or a dilly doohickey. Oh, this one's got a magnet in it. And I got this. See, a magnet. Guess it's a magnetic watch thing. Some more bracelets. More bracelets. Oh. Wow. This is beautiful. Ooh. A little one-sided watch. Another bracelet. Oh, another two bracelet. This one has little diamonds in there. A lucky charm bracelet. Or a charm bracelet. Ooh. Why? I still got more stuff in here. Oh, wow. A designer collection earring clamps. Nice. Another earring clamp. I think this is a belt loop or something. Another pretty brooch and more bracelets. This one's got a design on it. Ooh, a cute little photo frame. A PMB bracelet. I have no idea what PMB means. So if you know, post down in the comments. a necklace thing. I have plenty of things to put on it. Ooh. It looks like an old-fashioned brooch. It's beautiful. Some of the diamonds are missing, but look at this. I have no idea if I'm ever gonna be able to make another unboxing video. Ooh, here's a bracelet with danglies. I like him because of the danglies. Ooh. A pretty pin. Another brooch. This one's a flower brooch. Another bracelet. 2 bracelets. Ooh. Look at this brooch here. Got some earrings. Pretty. Guess I'm just putting it in a pile, because why not? Ooh, another one of these necklace thingies. Ooh, stretchy little bracelet thing. Another cute little earring, but there was only one with diamonds. One earring, door knocker style. A little thingy. Here's some more earrings that are gold. Feels like real gold too. Nice. Oh, I guess there was another one of these door knocker earrings. Golden door knockers. Oh, look at this one. It's so cute. Got another brooch, as well as a full earring thing. And a little brooch again. Here's a little Easter bunny. I guess Mom took some out. Phone wallet. Phone wallet right here. Ooh, I didn't see this one. Ooh, look at this watch. And all of this was $10. A $10 mystery box with all of this good stuff. I'm sweaty because we've been at garage sales, yard sales, garage sales. Itch. Ooh. Breakaway safe thingy. Oh, here's a little necklace. I think I showed that, but I don't remember. I showed a lot of things. Let's go ahead and put all this back in here. That was a lot of stuff in a $10 mystery box, huh? And I ordered stuff off of a new, I think it's new, well, it's new for me. It's a app called Temu that I am addicted to. There are periodic sales on the app. So, yeah, if you want to buy stuff for super cheap, go to temu.com or anything. This is not a paid ad or anything. I'm just saying this little knife came from Temu. It's so cool. And I've ordered some stuff already from there. And I'm really happy with it. So, if you like this unboxing video, hopefully, maybe I'll get some more things I'll buy some more things to unbox for you guys. So, in the meantime, like and comment and subscribe if you are new. I post videos when I get exciting stuff, or, well, I haven't posted anything about my dog collections, which I've added some since the last video. So maybe next time I will update you all on my dog collection. Until next time, see ya, and stay safe, keep cool in this hot weather we're having, and I'll see you next time. Bye.